Guys, are we live? Are we live? I hope we are live. Let us check. I think we are live. I think we are live. Yep, we are live. I think we are live. Yep, we are live. Perfect. It's perfect. Audio is, I think, clear. So today let's look. I have not taken this. So let's look which kind of trade we can take. Personally, my strategy now, I have made some changes in the strategy. You will say, bro, why are you making these changes? Well, now my strategy supports both buy side and sell side trades. Even if the bias is bullish or bearish, it does not depend on that now. Earlier it was totally depending upon that. So now we will just see according to that. Okay, let's look what can happen over here now. See, first of all, this is a liquidity sweep. If this crosses with a bullish FVG, then it's gonna be good. This shouldn't close. No, this should not close below this. Shouldn't close. So I'll show you again if you want me to test this strategy in the. Yeah, we'll backtest it in front of you. I'll show you guys one or two examples on the 5 minute time frame. It works on every single time frame, but I'll try to show you first the examples I have seen here. This is not a liquidity sweep. It's a pretty small liquidity sweep, so no, this is not one. I'm personally looking for both, either sell or buy. This might be. Okay, look at this trade right over here. That's a sweep, nice sweep, first of all. Then there are FVGs in both the candles. There, no, it is not an FVG. Okay, it's not an FVG. Okay, okay, look at this. Yeah, good sweep, and then FVG. Selling position we hold from here. Keep SL just above it, and 1 is to 4 or 5 we can keep, or maybe till the next liquidity, but here it was close, so we can keep it to 1 is to 4. Fine, so it's like that we are going to be taking. It closed below it, guys. It could have been a trade right there, but it's not now. The zone is invalidated. I'm confused because of this candle. It's a very huge wick, and the price action happening is in between this. So this is the only thing that is worrying me. Otherwise, every single thing is fine. But still, I think we can take a buy trade. Not right now. I'm just telling you that. Except like this, also it does not matter. I'm low-key thinking that we can sell now. Let's see what happens. We have to wait for the price action. See if we will sell, then this, it's not a good thing, like a price action thing. So it's not a planned trade, so I will not take it. Otherwise, this could have been a high risk trade from here. I'm not taking personally. I'm telling you, I'm not taking this kind of a trade. One is to do. We'll try to keep at least 60 pips. It is. Stop loss is 29 pips. It's a risk trade, high risk trade, of course. It's a high risk trade. I'm already telling you it will hit SL. It's confirmed SL, but it's still a high risk trade. It might go in our favor as well, but I will not take this trade. Clearly, I'm not gonna take this because I'm confused over here, and this is like a whole range over here that price has made, and I'm confused in this range. Plus, there is liquidity resting here, so price might just go up. Plus, there is too much of volatility in gold today. It's gonna sweep this and maybe then go up. Yeah, that's the thing. That's the kind of thing I'm worrying about. But if you have taken risk entry, then it's, yeah, 0.01 lots, of course. It's high risk trade. I'm telling you not to take it, but if you have, then it's no problem. Yep, I had told you it's a high risk trade again. I already knew it. It was a whole range that price was racking up there. Look at that. I told you it was a confirmed SL. If you would have taken it, I was too sure about it that it is confirmed SL. I told you. I mean, if you want me to apply a power, then this is the power that we can apply here. Only power that we can apply. I'm telling you, this is. I told you it was going to be SL risk trade. I told you, but it still might go down. I guess still might go down. It is a huge candle. Personally, it has engulfed two candles. It is an engulfing candle, but you can see there are huge wicks, wick, wick. Here also wick. Here also wick. So it might go into selling. If you are holding it, then I don't know personally what to do then. Yes. Still can go up, still can go down. There are 50-50 chances right now, as of right now. It's coming down. but it was not a huge reaction. So this is kind of like not a powerful liquidity sweep. It is a liquidity sweep, but not that powerful. I think it still can go down because if you see, there is literally just a little FVG, not even just 2 pips. It is just 1 pip, and could be that it goes up, but it can go down. It can pretty much go down. Look, there are hidden sellers over here, and it can go down from here as well. There you go. Your move selling from here. Okay. High risk trade, I mean, if anyone has taken, then I think you will get TP, I guess. Now it is a confirmed TP, except this is only challenge left over here. Fine. This is the only challenge, and I'll set a kind of a alert here, and please do risk free over here. Over here, do risk free. Okay, if anyone is holding, I have personally not taken this trade, so I'm not doing anything. It's just you can do risk free here also if you want. You feel that okay, that this might go up, do risk free then. It now depends on you wanna take out or do risk free. It's risk free from my side. Just do risk free if you want to. Otherwise, I think it's gonna go sell only. I think. But here, this is the challenge. So here you want to do SL to break even. Surely here too you have to do. If you don't do here, there are 100% chances that they are going to be this move. Not 100%, but 50-50 chances that it might just go up. So that's the kind of thing. Wait a second, guys. Okay, guys, risk free is done, and now it's a fixed TP, I guess. 60 pips. There we go. That's done. 60 pips done on live again. Once again, we come on live. We did a TP. It was a high risk trade. I guess I did not take it, but you guys took it. So it's a TP from my side. Rest, I am going to personally take a trade in PMI. 7:30. We're going to take that. See, here my thing here I'm just saying is that if you look over here, if you look at our proper setup, the market structure shift proper setup, if you look at, I'm going to show you one setup. Always that is going to be followed. See, price has always either done this. Price has always broken this high of the previous candle. Right candle or opposing candle. Broken that and then market structure shift and then the so we have done a TP on personally. This is our second TP. First TP of the month. So guys, I'm just confused in this, by the way. I'm just looking and I don't know if this is a rule that is there I have made, but something wrong I feel. Because if you see, just leave this zone, take this. Here we have done that analysis and it got, yeah, it has gone up. See, this is a correct trade, I just know it. But here I have one trade on my phone that I had taken. It was, I'll share that. Wait a minute. It was on my phone on backtesting only. That confused me. It was a sell side trade personally. Yeah, I found it. And this whole thing was done like in between that, in between the range. But okay, fine, I understood it. This got broken, perfect, and this green candle got broken out. So here, suppose this is the red candle, or maybe this is the red candle. That should be broken like that. No, again, it's confusing. I know. I am personally getting confused in this kind of a thing. Fine, I'm just looking at this area. It's very confusing again. I'm telling you. So it has to break this high first of all of this candle. Sorry, this candle it broke the. Okay, this was not a possible trade. I already knew that. Then here we had to broke a high of this to make a sell trade. Yes, broke the high of this, then this broke the high of this candle. It was a planned trade, guys. It was a planned trade. I don't know why did I miss this trade, but it was a 100% planned trade. But the liquidity sweep was not good for me, so I had not taken this. That's why I called it a high risk trade. I'll show you on the other pair. This was one of the trades that did not go so well over here on the weekend. See, for making a selling trade, what you need to have is, for making a selling trade while the bias is bullish, you just need that this candle is broken, the low is broken. Sorry, this was a sell trade. Sorry. So, for making this was already buying going on. So, for that, you would need that this high, or maybe wait. Fine. I'll just check. Already buying going on. So, this buying candle has the low has to be broken. Perfect. No, we wanted to go for sell. Okay. Yeah, so buying going on over here. We had to look for sell. This low broken, that done. Okay. But liquidity sweep was not big enough. See, this was according to 15 minutes. That's what I'm saying. Fine, so that's how it works. It's a little confusing, but we'll fix that. That's why this was a planned trade, but I guess we couldn't take it. It is almost always very much confusing to trade SMC. Personally, it's very confusing. I'm telling you, used to tell you it's very easy, but actual behind the scenes is very much difficult. See, now almost everything is going on in between here. Look at this. This is one single candle, selling going on. We want to go for sales. High has to be broken. This is all just choppy market, nothing else. Here also nothing else. It's all choppy. That is what how we know. Otherwise, we would take selling trades, the bad ones, and then later we would have not made it out of the markets or not survived the markets. Let's look at another example over here. I know the stream is going boring right now, but it will all change when we'll do the all the things. See, here it goes up, comes back down. This actually, this chart can be wrong also sometimes, so I would pretty much just check across many charts, because some I have faced this difficulty a lot, that there's going to be that the market is going to be wrong. It was at 12 something, right? Here something it was. Let's check. It was at 12:45. I guess. Yeah, at that time. Let me check this with the big. Yeah, this. Okay, that. That. Selling going on already. Okay, here buying game. Then selling came again here over here. Okay, selling came. So we want to go for a sell trade. So this broken, fine. Okay, this here also broken. We want to go for a sell trade, that broken. Perfect. So when that okay, we want to go for a buy trade over here. So selling this high broken, that done, fine. But what did it lack? Did it lack the liquidity sweep? Shall we check? This is a 3 pip sweep, yet it did not go up. Why? Let's look. Now, this is the kind of things that make it very much difficult to understand. We'll check, we'll check again, compare the bodies of the candles. Let's just consider it 2% change. It's clearly a 4% change here. So that is a thing, fine. I'm confused in this trade. Myself, I'm because our setup did follow through, but did not give us the correct output we wanted. This is also the same condition. Selling, want a buy trade, that upper thing gone, for this upper thing gone perfect. I think they're missing like some other confirmation. I think we are missing a confirmation. I think. Wait, then how did we calculate it to 3 pips? Just a second. No, it is coming out to be that. I'm too confused, guys, for this. I think we shall follow just a simple rule. Like if selling is going on, market is making lower low, then we look for a bullish market structure shift. Or if market is going up, then that we will look for selling. Fine. So here, if you see, market is making lower low. I'll tell you how. This has gone. This see, there is a change of character here. So this buying trade is pretty much correct, but it still did not work. Still did not work. There is something wrong here. I think there is a difference a little bit here. Here there is 3 pips, there it is a little less. By the way, this is just internal movement. Look at here. Look at this first of all. This is all internal movement. Look at that. Here the actual movement comes. But this is not a breakout structure then. Late breakout structure here then. Then market goes sideways. Again, market goes sideways. It's confusing, but we will try to look for the correct setup. Again, there might be something that we are doing wrong here. See that candle has been broken. Because it is a perfect thing that you need. It's the actual perfect thing. Because if you look at this thing, here also it worked. Even though it did not hit TP for some reason here also. So that is one case that we need to solve. Yes. General TP is almost all the way there. Okay, it might be that we need to follow the bias again. That is one more key thing now. It might be that we need to follow the bias because market can take the thing. So I think we might be needing to follow the market structure which is currently buying. So why did not that work? Why did this work? The example that we just saw. See, let's check the bias first. Let's check the bias once again. I am pretty sure it is buying. I have taken this sell trade because believing that it works on, but it works. I am 100% sure it works because we had taken many trades with this strategy and it works. Okay, let's try this strategy. It's already on the 5 minutes. Okay, we might need to follow the bias. But see, this move worked because it came off of a zone over here. this is a selling zone or supply zone over here. That's why this move came. See, here also came. So that's why. Otherwise, we might need to follow the bias. Problem is there is FBG. If the FBG wouldn't have been there, then we would have known that this is the problem. See, like here. Now here, this can be taken from here. But I'd like to wait for the price to retrace back to this. It can still go down from here. Personally, I'd like to wait for that retracement. I personally believe that it requires 3 plus sweep over here. I think. Now let's look at that very much carefully. Under that 3 margin, you can take a sell if you want. I am personally taking now. Sell from here. My god, there are too many things to look for here. Target is that only, and SL you can wait till here if you want for the price to come first, or maybe you can just directly take. Just situating that it might go just down. 33 is the TP. 33.136. 136. We'll just go for one pole. Let's see what happens. Took a bit of a late entry, so let's just estimate our entry to here. So we can do 1 is to 1 from here to maybe here. Buying is strong, I guess. Again, we might have entered a little early or late. I don't know. I think late is the best way to describe it. Yeah, buying is too much. I think our entry should have been here only. Let's see what happens. We have a lot on the line over here. There is a chance now it will fall from here. If anyone has not taken entry, you can now. Yeah, it's going now. So our entry was pretty much correct. I believe that. Yes. Managed to do is not much, but we are making something out of it, I guess. We'll do break even somewhat here. I mean, I'm not happy with my execution. Buying is getting slower. Generally, this kind of a pattern I have heard that if this is a kind of a pattern over here, it means that small candles and yeah, decreasing size. It means that it's now the price might reverse. Okay, let's adjust our thing here. Wait, I can feel that selling might come now. Price should go down from here, I guess. This could have been the worst candle formation. Okay, this is good candle. This is good candle. Not anymore. This demand zone is the thing that is worst candle formation again. Worst candle. What the heck, man? It is like playing tricks on us. Finally, that was a good candle that had formed. Okay, good candle. Till now, it is a good candle. Let's make our foot to here. Okay, it's going down. One is to two, you know, guys, where to do. Sorry, one is to one. You can exit a little bit there. Do a bit of profit booking there, okay? Do some profit booking here. Please book at least some profits here, please. And if you want to do SL break even, do that. It is not far. It is at 34 something, right? I checked my TP wrong. 405. I just set it like that. There is a little bit of buying. I will have to turn off the live stream. Just keep holding this.